What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I'm out here in the Klipsch booth. You guys love Klipsch. Nothing better. Affordable, well-performing, great speaker. Anyways, we're gonna go over what we got here. What are these, 600Ms?
Yep, RP-600Ms.
Cool. Tell us what you're driving it with, Michael.
Cool. So we've got a rack full of Cambridge gear, wonderful Cambridge gear. We're actually running the RP-600Ms off of their CX-A60 2-channel integrated amp. Running Tidal off of an iPad straight into the back of the amp.
Simple, gets the job done, and it's affordable. What do we have over here? Is that connected?
No, so that's our
310?
C310 ASWI app-controlled sub. It is actually unplugged from the wall. Everybody just wants to hear the 600Ms as they are. So,
okay, all right.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, hey, if you guys aren't already a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. We're about to play you a demo.
Let me show you everything I know. Dopes upon a silky spanky place. I just wanna go where I can.
Well, there's Klipsch. You guys love it. I love it. I hope you liked the demo. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below.
Smash it!
Smash it hard! This is Zach and Chris, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Well, I thought that was it, but it's not. This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater down here at the Rocky Mountain Audio Fest 2019, checking out the Klipsch lineups. We're gonna go in here and see what they have to offer us on the Heresy Heritage line. Let's get inside and check it out.
I got no excuse. Is that alright? Yeah. Do it's the wrong kind of space to be cheated. Am I going away when it's loaded? That alright?
We actually just heard the demo. They both sounded fantastic. You want to give me a rundown on exactly what the difference is between these two speakers?
Sure. Well, you know, both of these are brand new versions or fourth iterations of classics that we've had in the market for years. And what you're going to find is that both of them are significant improvements over where we've been. And they should be, because it's been a couple of decades since we tested these speakers and changed them up. We actually have been building these since before the 60s in terms of both models. The Heresy is one that is small, it's diminutive, you can live with it in virtually any space. And what we did to the Heresy, there's several changes, but the big one is it's bass reflex now. And what that means is, in general, if you're listening to it with music, you don't need a subwoofer anymore. You can put these Heresy 4s in the room, and they're going to be all that you need. And at $3,000 a pair, they're a bargain. The Cornwall sits much larger, and we've improved it with a much larger mid-range horn. It gets all new tweeter and mid. It's got a wide dispersion phase plug on the tweeter. And we've added Tractrix ports to its bass loading as well. So it gets cleaner extension than it used to, and it gets a much more open sound stage than the last model. So we're really proud of these, and we think that if you put your ears on them, you're going to be impressed.
Awesome. Well, I know we love it, and then we know that you guys all love it because you keep buying it. Things sound amazing. I just heard a demo that Roy played for me. The man, the myth, the legend. He's gonna tell you what makes these speakers sound so good. Get in here, Roy.
You forgot the bass fisherman.
What was that?
You forgot the bass fisherman too. You added the man, the myth, all this other stuff. I'm the bass fisherman too.
Oh, the bass fisherman. Okay, I'm not hating on you.
Not to be confused with the bass. I had the pleasure and honor and just a great friendship with Paul to totally understand what he wanted to do, the things that he wanted to do with the heritage. And I believe that the things that we've done now is what he would have done if he was still alive, because I really, truly respect his work and don't want to mess it up. That's really my biggest fear, is messing it up. So one of the things that Paul was very interested in was we wanted to change the tweeter on the Klipschorn, but the problem was trying to find a high res or a high resolution tweeter. So a tweeter came across my desk one time, and I ended up testing it and everything, and I told one of the product managers at the time, I said, I think it's time to do some stuff that Paul wanted to do, because this tweeter's going to work. And so not only just doing the tweeter stuff, but also the network stuff. Paul was very into steep slopes, coherent phase, excellent addition of crossover, gentle handoffs, and stuff like that. So I think everything in this Klipschorn is what Paul wanted to do anyway. Probably one of the biggest things, and it's actually started with the Jubilee project, was enclosing the backs. So now when you enclose the backs, they don't have to be tight in the corner. You can actually pull them out a little bit, tow them in, tow them out, point them at your wife, don't matter. And as long as you have them close to the corners, they'll still load the horn and get you down to where your leg shakes for bass.
Nice. Well, leg shaking bass, these things do have.
Yes, they do.
Well, I hope that you guys found this video informative and helping you make a buying decision on your new 8K6 speakers. If you do have any questions, just make sure to contact sales. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more.